Today we are at Evercore Motorsport, a shop that needs no introduction in some way area, for the installation of this F30 335i with FI exhaust. Basically the owner has converted the car to M3 look, so it's with the M3 rear bumper now. And for the exhaust, we are going to fit in this quad tips version FI exhaust catback system with the optional chrome gold tips. The owner has done a full conversion of his 335i to M3 style on the exterior. The fenders, the brakes, front bumper. And we have finished installing the FI exhaust on this F30 335i with this beautiful quad tips in chrome gold. So now we'll do a sound test for the F30. We have completed the installation of FI exhaust on this beautiful F30 335i. So let us know how this brand new FI exhaust sounds on the 335i. Remember to like and share our video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting contents.